Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition 5 and cause number 2018 CR 11973? If the court, that the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5 and cause number 2019 CR 8622W? Court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true?
Yes, ma'am.
And each of the cause numbers, the court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. And we did, at least I did talk to probation about this. So to extend both cases for 6 years in order to pay fines at $65.27 a month. An electronic leg monitor for 120 days. Full-time employment at all times. And zero tolerance of meeting financial obligation to provide yearly income verification.
All right, with regards to the state jail felony, the court can't extend her for 6 years.
Sorry about that.
So on the state jail felony, the court can only extend her. I can extend her for another year and we'll see where we are at that time.
That's fine with the state.
Okay. All right, is this the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
Are you asking the court to follow this agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, can you lower your hand? All right, state your name for the record.
Mackenzie Purvis.
All right, why are you not reporting? That's the easiest thing to do on the planet is report.
Yes, ma'am, I understand. I had missed the first one, and at this time I was pregnant with my daughter and I was scared.
So where's your child now that you're in custody?
With my mother.
All right, so I still don't understand why you are not reporting, because I always tell everyone if there's an issue while they're on probation to let the court know.
Yes, ma'am.
And obviously you decided not to be on probation. So is Child Protective Services involved in your life?
No, ma'am.
So is this the only child you have?
Yes, ma'am.
And does your mother want you to live with her?
Yes. She said as long as I have a full-time job, I'm more than welcome to be at her house.
And you have a job lined up?
Yes, I do.
Doing what?
A server. Working Tuesday through Saturday.
Where? Heard of that.
It's a little, like a family owned,
What type of food do they serve there?
like fried chicken, steak.
All right. All right, you have to be able to tell people what the menu is, you know, when, what's the best thing there.
Fried chicken.
Okay, I never understood chicken fried chicken. What is chicken fried chicken? Is it chicken that's fried twice?
It's without the bone.
Oh, without the bone? Oh, okay. All right, I've never had chicken fried chicken.
You've tried it.
Okay.
You have to go through the bones to eat.
Well, isn't that called chicken strips? I don't know.
It's just a big chicken strip.
Okay. All right, this is what the court will do. Then in each motion, the court will deny the motion, alternate amend conditions. And I already asked you to have full-time employment before, but you're gonna get full-time employment. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And for the court, that's 40 hours a week. So I'll deny the motion, alternate amend condition in each cause number to include full-time employment. No employment as a home health care provider with minors. And that's to be done within 30 days of release.
Yes, ma'am.
She is to reside with her mother. What else are you all asking for? The GPS is going to be a problem because she doesn't have a job, so she can't afford GPS.
I'm gonna address that, Judge. It kind of defeats the purpose. She wouldn't have any money to pay. I would suppose that the court would want whatever money is available to go to the complainants.
Yes.
Donna, we could possibly do weekly reporting for 30 days.
All right. So we'll do weekly reporting for 30 days, but I'll allow her to do that by Zoom since she's going to be working. If you're working, then you do it by Zoom. If you're not working, you need to show up in person. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
How much money does she owe, and what rate are she's gonna pay at? I think in
So
2019, it says that she owes $3,345.24. Have you paid any restitution?
$200 worth, ma'am.
I'm sorry, what?
Just 200.
All right, so she's paid 200, she's saying. And then 2018, I have $7,273.26.
On the 2018,
Mhm.
there's been a total credit of $230, which leaves the balance for the restitution at $6,993. On the 2019 case, there's not been any credits, or there's been a credit of $40 toward the restitution, which leaves the amount due. The balance is $3,305.24.
All right, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna extend you in 2018. I'm gonna extend you for 6 years. That's for you to be able to pay off what you owe.
Yes, ma'am.
If you pay it off early, then counsel, the court will consider early termination.
Yes, ma'am.
Probation, since she's extended for a year in the 2019 case, I'm gonna want restitution to go there first. And then once that's paid off, then we can start with the restitution in the 2018 case.
Your Honor, is that, with extending 1 year, that would be extending a year from August the 6th of 2023. We want to add a couple of months to make it a year from today.
Yes. So it'll be a year from today. And then here's the thing, if you still owe money in that case and you haven't paid it, there are other things that the court can do. You understand?
Yes, ma'am. I
And I
understand.
don't think you want a conviction, right? Okay. And I'm going to want parenting classes from her. Once she completes the parenting classes, I'll deem the 200 hours of community service satisfied.
Yes, ma'am.
And is that on both cases?
Yes, that'll be on both cases. All right. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
Your Honor, I will have to point out that we don't have any recent UAs on file.
All right.
Last year analysis we had on file was August of 2022.
All right, we're gonna do a UA upon release. And then thereafter, it'll be regular random UAs.
Yes, ma'am.
Are we gonna have any drug issues with you?
No, ma'am.
All right, UA upon release and then thereafter regular random UAs. Is there anything else, probation?
No, Judge.
All right, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, in this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if you don't want to be on probation, Deputy Laura, everybody will tell you, it breaks my heart when people, get revoked off probation because I'm hoping that they'll be successful. But I will send people to prison. Now, in your case, on one case, you're looking at potentially doing 10 years in the prison. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So here on out, everything you do, you need to keep that at the forefront of your mind. And you realize that you have a child, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I know you don't want to get out of prison and discover that she is 10 years old, because that could end up happening. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. If anything comes up and you need something and you feel like probation is not addressing it, you can always come back to court.
Yes.
All right, thank you. Thank you, Eddie. I appreciate it.
You bet, Your Honor.
Thank you.
No, everyone will be back happy and brighter in the new year. So remember, the goal of the new year, at least in my family, the goal of the new year is not to party on New Year's Eve. It's always, let's call everybody and make sure everybody made it to see the new year. So I hope everyone have a great Christmas, happy holidays, happy Kwanzaa, happy Hanukkah. If I'm missing anything, I'm sorry about that. And so we'll see everybody back in the new.
My name is Happy. I upload courtroom video for education purpose. This video may contain copyrighted works not specifically authorized for use, but believed in good faith to be protected by the fair use doctrine under Section 107 of U.S. copyright law.